Hi guys and girls, so today we're looking at these Airfix quick builds. I thought this was going to be like a snap together model, turns out it's a bit more like Lego. So today we're looking at the McLaren P1, so bear with me, we'll open it up. It's only 36 pieces so it shouldn't take too long. We have a butcher's. I'm excited about this. It looked good anyway until I realised it was these Lego pieces. I'm sure it would still look good, but what can be better than a fast car made out of Lego like pieces? Well, have a look. This is the first time I've seen one of these Airfix quick builds. We'll have a butcher, see what's inside, and we'll knock her up. Okay, so it's 33 stages. This is what the car will look like in the end. It doesn't look too complicated. So what I'll do, I will keep the instructions where I am. I'll try and build it in front of the camera, and we'll do it in double quick time and see what we got. Like I said, it's the first one I've done them, so it might be a bit fiddly, but I'm hoping all goes well. So let's crack on. So first step was separating the 4 tyres. Second step is to take these alloy wheels out. So you can imagine stage 3 is getting them into the wheels. The first step's not very exciting at all, but we'll go from there. There she is, the P1 is built. Let's go put the final stickers on and I'll give you another look before we go. I love this, it's got an adjustable spoiler so you can pull it all the way out. Or you can push it in. It's a bit tricky to get back out though. You have to get your nails underneath. Oh, pulled it too far. But yeah, it's adjustable. It's on a little rail. So I can have it like that. I'm not sure which one's better actually. The spoiler up or down. I'm sure Jackson will argue that the spoiler should be up like that. So I'm just going to put the stickers on and then we'll have a final look. So there we go guys, that's the lights on, the number plate, and there's a little sticker to go on the top here, the McLaren badge. So, oh, done it again. I'm going to glue this in I think, so the spoiler's up. But that there is the McLaren P1 Airfix quick kit. On the whole, I think the kit looks good. You wouldn't think it was made out of like little parts like Lego. So that will join the collection. We have got a camper van one on the way that's turned up today, so we'll get that up as quick as possible. But for now guys, that is the Airfix quick build and the McLaren P1. I hope you've enjoyed it.